Bullish Chiliz cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 61 cents and $1.16 by 2030. Market examiners accept CHZ could reach 47 cents by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2023 is 10 cents. Chiliz presentation. Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered an exclusive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the organizer and chief of Chiliz. He has north of 20 years of involvement establishing and developing online organizations. Before sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intelligent travel guide, and Winamax and Chillapoker, both internet-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business person who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to disturb the customary games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage controlled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices by means of a portable application or web interface utilizing CHZ token. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's web-based business store. What is Chiliz? The Chiliz stage was made fully intent on giving fans a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers compensations for partaking in the administration of their pick group. The Socios stage is at present utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to partake in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. The socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chiliz coin to make secure, straightforward, and unchanging exchanges. The utilization of blockchain likewise takes into consideration quick and productive installments between parties. Exchanges on the socios.com stage are controlled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chiliz coin is gotten from its utility for the purpose of the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Likewise, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Chiliz is right now worth 13 cents USD. CHZ has moved 1.34% as of now with an exchanging volume of $81,478,035. Chiliz is right now positioned 59 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $940,082,278 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Chiliz to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Chiliz market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Chiliz Value Forecast 2023. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The CHZ cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 20 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 19 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of 16 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Chiliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform 34 cents. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the CHZ's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 27 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 29 cents. Chiliz Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 47 cents and CHZ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 43 cents and a low of 40 cents in 2025. Chiliz value expectation 2026. Assuming Chiliz effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 61 cents, with a base cost of 54 cents and a typical cost of 57 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 70 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 68 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, CHZ has a most extreme value worth of 74 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 84 cents. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 88 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 81 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 95 cents and a yearly cost close above $1.02 in 2029. Chiliz value expectation 2030. By 2030, Chiliz will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.09 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.16, averaging out at $1.12. Chiliz value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest CHZ cost in 2031 is projected to be $1.33 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.28. And generally, we think Chiliz is an exceptionally encouraging task with a ton of possibilities. The group has previously gained huge headway in developing its organizations, and presently they simply have to keep chipping away at working on the real crypto token itself. Assuming they prevail with regards to doing as such, we accept that CHZ could become one of the top tokens in the space. What is the Chiliz cost today? Today, Chiliz is exchanging at 13 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $940,082,278. Is Chiliz a wise speculation? Chiliz ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is